In this video, we are going to explore the components of a drone and learn how to assemble it step by step. There is no need for a manual. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Here are all the components required to build the drone. We have the batteries, motors, propellers, a charging cable, the drone motherboard, the drone frame kit, and the remote controller. Now, let's begin the assembly. First, we will attach the motherboard to the drone frame. It may look complex, but it is actually very easy to install. The motherboard is now fixed securely to the drone body. Next, we connect the wires and check whether all the components are properly connected. Yes, everything looks good so far. Now, we will attach the motors to the drone body. After fixing the motors, let's quickly test if everything is working correctly. Great, it is functioning well. The next step is to assemble each motor carefully and attach the propellers. We connect the batteries. Let's connect the battery again and verify the motor response. Now the drone structure looks complete. Everything is working perfectly. Now it's time for the first flight test. We will use the remote controller to operate the drone. Insert the batteries into the remote and power it on. Yes, the drone is now ready to fly. Let's take the drone outside the lab for a proper flight test.
So take off button either.
It is flying smoothly and performing very well. The operator is controlling it with precision. Now, let's bring the drone back into the office. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.